Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I have a really exciting video today for you all. As you can see, there is a massive box here with me, and in this massive box there is loads of Halloween stuff. So just to give you guys a bit of context, I am part of a Halloween group on social media, and somebody commented in this group saying that they were having a bit of a declutter and that they were getting rid of Halloween decorations and Halloween bits and bobs. Did anybody want the stuff for free? And of course I jumped at that opportunity. As you guys will know, I love Halloween through my hauls, and you guys have seen my bedroom. I featured it in many of my videos. I love Halloween. Halloween is my favourite time of the whole entire year. And this box is massive. It is filled with Halloween stuff. And what I thought would be really nice would be to hop on here and show you the things that I got, because I am quite literally gobsmacked and I am perplexed at how amazing this stuff is that someone was giving away for free. So I collected this stuff on Friday and I had a little look through it, and like I say, I was so amazed. I was like, I need to film a video on this stuff and show you guys the things that I got. So I'm just going to pick out the things in no particular order, then I'm going to lay them on my bed, and at the end I will show you some footage so you can see the sheer scale of how much stuff I have kindly been given. But I am very blessed and feeling very fortunate to have received these things, and I don't know if it's transpiring or not in my video, but I am elated. So I'm just going to start by showing you the stuff. If I sound out of breath, it's because, as I say, this box is quite literally bigger than me. So the first thing in here, and I'm just grabbing these things out at random. Again, when I got some of these things, the woman said I used, some are new, the majority is new. Not that it matters anyway, I love Halloween and I'm appreciative of things in general, so it doesn't faze me. But this is the first thing, and this is a salt and pepper shaker set. Looks like this, and they are 2 pumpkins. Absolutely adorable. Second thing we got is this. How amazing is this? Brand new mug, purple, my favourite colour, with little ghosties on it. Tag literally right there. Love this. Second thing we got. The third thing is this, which is a spatula. Would have been $3.99. Love. And what I love as well is I'm getting more Halloween things as well that I can disperse through the house. So I am going through the process of buying a house with Matthew. So these things will go in my house, and I'm going to make the whole house have that sprinkling of Halloween, which is really exciting. So it's really exciting to have this stuff so I can put it out throughout the house all year round, because as we know, Halloween is 365 days of a year, in my opinion. Next thing we got is this little bowl which says spooky spells. Looks like that. The woman did say some of this stuff has been kept in storage. I was like, that's completely fine. I'm happy to have it. I will happily clean it. It does not bother me. Next thing we got is this. How cute is this? It's a little bat. Absolutely adorable. We got this white pumpkin. Will look lovely in my living room. We have, again on the pumpkin vibe, we have, I'm just going to get the other pumpkin pieces out that I can see so I can do them all together. We have this, which is a pumpkin that says boo with a witch on it. We have this pumpkin, which is just a white pumpkin with black stripes, giving that Beetlejuice juxtaposition of black and white kind of vibe. We then have this one, which is another little pumpkin that says boo on it. Love that. I love it all. And I think we have another, we do. And then we have this pumpkin, which looks like this, which also says boo and is a bit larger of a pumpkin. So you could put these pumpkins out together. You could also put them out separate. We have this. This is a set of animal toys, and they are pumpkins. This is brilliant. So my friend Sophie, she has a dog. Matt's nan also has a dog, and I have a dog, so I could give one to each dog, or I could just pass them on as a whole gift. But how cute is that? So even your pet can be representing that Halloween spirit. Love. And they have smiley faces on. We then have this. I think this is so cute. This is a little purple. Now I'm not sure if this is a monster or if this is a bat, but it's adorable. This little bowl. And I love bowls and kind of plates like this that have almost that hand painted kind of vibe to them, and how one eye is bigger than the other. I just think that that is so endearing. I'm not sure why, but I love that. We then have, I'll carry on and show you some more of the plates and bowls. We then have two of these, which are ghost plates, and again, I love their faces. I think it looks so animated. So we have two of them. And again, this isn't even half of the stuff that I've got. We then have another one of these, which are the spooky spells. And I love the fact that there are two of different things, so that if something did break, you'd have another one. I don't know if anybody else is like me, but with my Halloween stuff, because I love it so much, I always get really scared to use it in case something does break, because I would be devastated. Nice in general, but it's extra nice that there are two of the different things. I then have this, which is a Disney Villains, and this is a light up poison apple, which I believe is from Snow White. And I will probably give this to Sophie because I think she will really like this. We then have this. Now these are, I believe they're called gonks. I think it is. Now I'm not too sure fully on what gonks actually are. I know they are a thing. These are gonks anyway. But these are Halloween gonks. So of course already they are even better because they're Halloween gonks. So they look like this. And they are on a string, and there are all different versions of them. And then there is this end here that you would hang up, and then this end here that you would hang up, and you could just put them wherever. And you could hang these up in a living room, in a bedroom, you could hang them up really anywhere. And I believe these were originally from TK Maxx because that looks like a TK Maxx label, and they were $7.99 if anyone was curious. So we got that. Carrying on with the gonk theme, I'll show you the other gonk related things that we got. We got this. This is a gonk hand soap. Looks like this. Again, I'm in the process of getting a house, so I will put this in my bathroom for hand soap. But we got this. Then have this, which is a gonk mug. I love the colours on this. This is purple, it has stars, and it has the Beetlejuice pinstripes. How adorable is that? So cute. We love that. We then have this, which is, I think, the final gonk related thing. And this is a gonk mug. This mug that looks like this. Kind of looks a bit like a wizard gonk, and just a mug, and you put this on. This would probably be quite good for keeping the hot drinks hot, I imagine. It's also for some reason making me think of Gandalf from Lord of the Rings. Let me know if you get that vibe. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to be very careful because quite a lot of these are ceramic or are breakable. We then have this. This is a little ghost plate, looks like this. Adorable. Could put food on that, could just have that out as decor. We have another one of the spooky spells. We have a black pumpkin with white stripes on it, looks like that. We have another one of the bat bowls with their super cute, cheeky looking little faces. We have this, which is a ghost tea light burner. So you put the tea light in here, and then you put a wax melt on the top there. You could even just put a tea light in this and it would illuminate the ghost face. We then have this, which is, I don't want to say one of my favourites because it's all my favourite, like I love it all, but this I think is so endearing. It's this little ghost mug. How cute is that? And it's a little happy ghost. This makes me think of Casper or something like that. a very happy little ghost mug. And again, all of this stuff, it just brightens my day. Like I just love it. How can you look at that and not smile? Or how can you look at any of this stuff and not smile? It just brings me joy. Halloween's always brought me a lot of joy. So we then have this, which is another tea light holder. I don't think this is a wax melt though, because there isn't the bit at the top for the wax. So I think this is just a tea light holder. Again, that ghost face. This makes me think of Nightmare Before Christmas a little bit. I'm gonna have to get off my bed soon because all the stuff is here, and as I'm putting it out, it's slowly pushing me off the bed. I'm running out of space. We then have this. Now I'm not really sure what this is. Matt said it could be a gravy boat. I said I think it's just for storage, and I also said I think it's a carrot. So if you know what this is, let me know. But it is this shape, and inside is a candle. As I say, I think it's a carrot, but it might not be a carrot. I'm not sure, but we have that. Again, you can light a candle in winter and it can create a really nice homely atmosphere, so love that. We'll put that there. We still have more stuff. So we have this, which is a black bowl with spiders on it, and the spiders are purple. There's also spider webs. Very cute. We have this is quite heavy, so I've got to be careful with this. We have this, which is a pumpkin jar. Looks like that. Love this. I got some of these jars last year. I can't remember if my jars were the same as this or if my jars were plastic. I can't quite remember, but a pumpkin jar, so handy. It can put tea in this, can put biscuits in this, sweets in this, can put this in the kitchen and make that kitchen have that Halloween vibe very easily. Love these. I think these are so incredibly handy. We then have two of these absolutely precious pumpkin bowls, again with their animated faces on. How adorable is that? It's just so cute. Again, I don't know how you can look at these and not smile. I love it. Oh, I was wrong. Apologies. We do have one more of those pumpkins that say boo on there. We have that one. Then have this, which is it is the exact same as that previous wax melt, which I've put here. So this was the first one that we got. We then have this one, which is the same, and this one is just sealed and has a wax at the top. Again, doesn't bother me that this one isn't sealed or is used, but we have a second one of this, so you could put one in the living room, one in a bedroom. You could even put them next to each other if you wanted. So yeah, we have those two. We have this, which is really cool. This is purple and it has a crow or a raven on it. I'm not quite sure which one. And this is either for your tea bags or for your spoons. I think it's for your spoons, but you leave this in the kitchen, and when you're using spoons, like pasta or soup or whatever, you put the spoons on there, and if you can see, it's like a giant spoon, and this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. Love it. And again, I love the fact that I can put this in my kitchen and have that Halloween vibe going on in the kitchen. I love that. So we got that. We then have this, which is a orange pumpkin with a gold little stem there, and it is empty. I will probably put some jewellery in this and put this in my bedroom. We then have this, which is a white pumpkin. Looks like that, again with that gold stem, and this has a candle inside and it smells like cinnamon. Massive candle. Again, once I have burnt this candle, I'm going to keep this and probably put jewellery in it or just keep it out in my bedroom as decor. And I think actually these two together on a cupboard or on a bed stand would look really nice. So we got that. I'm having to resort to putting things on the floor now because I have run out of space on my bed. I don't know how well you guys can see, you can't pick it up too much in the video, but all down here is filled with the contents of that box full of Halloween stuff, which is great. I am so happy. This is literally my dream, so I am not complaining at all. We have 3 more things left. So we have this, a Turkish serving bowl. Looks like this. Looks like it has been handcrafted maybe. Really nice. Could have this out as decoration, could use this as a soap dish, but it's really pretty, beautiful shade of blue, and has that lovely detail there. We then have 2 more things. So we have this, which is a cat bowl, and it has all different cats on it. But not only does it have all different cats on it, which already is great, I love cats, it has black cats, which is a cat I've always wanted. I've always wanted a black cat. I've never had a black cat. All our cats have been strays, but I would love a black cat, so it has black cats on it. And it has black cats in different Halloween costumes. So we have a Dracula cat, we have a witch cat, we have a devil cat, we have a skeleton cat, a mummy cat, Frankenstein cat, Dracula cat, then we're back to the witch cat, and in there it has a little paw. And what I thought would be really cool to do with this is, I do have a cat, so we will try giving him his food in this and see how he gets on. But also, as I say, I'm in the process of Baus. I am hoping when we move out I will be able to get a cat, and as I say, I would love a black cat. And I just think, how amazing would it be if I have a black cat and they have this bowl, and on this bowl is little mini versions of the black cat, which it is. I don't know, I think that will be super. So we got that. Love that. And then the last item we've got is this, which I love. This is beautiful. This is a bowl, and it says Hello Pumpkin on the inside. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see that. You can kind of see it. But yeah, it says Hello Pumpkin on the inside there, and then this is a little sticker on the other side. And it just has, it's orange, beautiful colour, and it has all different shapes and sizes of pumpkins embossed into it. And this was originally from TK Maxx. I think this is beautiful, love this colour, love pumpkins, gorgeous. So that was everything that was in this. As you can see, quite literally massive box that doesn't even fit barely on the screen. Again, love every single thing I've got. Feel very appreciative to have gotten these things in general, and to have kindly been gifted these things for free. I'm going to cut away and show you all of the stuff, so you can see how much stuff I've got. I love it, I think it's amazing. As I say, the Halloween stuff brings me so much joy, and I just wanted to hop on here and show you the things that I got, because I thought some of you might be interested. And also I like making videos in general, so I can look back on this and look at how happy this stuff makes me, and just remember getting all this amazing stuff. So I'm going to go and film that other section to show you guys, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video has made you as excited and happy as it has made me filming it. So I'm going to go, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys!